In the case parts of an image needs to be contour cut, use the freehand path tool to draw the cut path around the object. Setting the stroke width to a minimum allows for drawing as precise as possible. The name of the stroke color is instructing VersaWorks to perform the CutContour cutting. Select the type of cutting appropriate for this particular application. Now draw along the object, creating the contour cutting line. Clicking the End Editing button ends the current path and allows beginning a new path. Change the stroke width for this new path as well to ensure a good precision while drawing the path. If two or more paths needs to be combined, the Combiner tool is handy. Click the Unite function to merge the two paths. In some cases, it is useful to use an existing path as a cut contour line. In this case, I have selected an object which will have the contour cutting path added. Double-clicking the object opens the Paths toolbox, and I can change the color of the stroke into CutContour. Select the object and open the Contour tool found in the right side of the interface. The Contour tool adds the cut contour either directly on the outermost path of the object or at a distance to the object. The distance is defined using the offset box. Use the CutContour and PerfCutContour function to determine the type of cutting to be performed. For easy access to single objects in a complex design, it is recommended to use the Layers tool, which allows for direct selection of an object. Click the box to activate the object. Open the Contour tool and set the offset to 15 mm, and click the PerfCutContour, which will generate a cut line which VersaWorks will recognize to be perforated cut. Autoplate is a tool which can add white, gloss or primer inks to an object in the case the printer supports any of these inks. Opening the Autoplate tool provides access to the subtools where white, gloss and primer can be added to different parts of the object. Selecting Print Area, the designer will add ink to all printable pixels. If Apply White to White is activated, white ink will be printed in areas inside the object, even though there are no printable pixels. Trapping is useful to creep or expand the ink, making sure that the ink is not visible from under the object. The functionality is the same for primer and gloss ink. Designer shows the different inks using different colors to help distinguish during the design stage.